In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a world map zoom animation in Canva. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along, even if you're fairly new to Canva. By the end, you'll know how to start from a simple world map and turn it into a smooth zoom animation that's perfect for travel videos, presentations, or social media content. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose a video size like 1920 by 1080 if you're planning to use this for YouTube or presentations. Once your blank canvas is ready, go to the Elements tab and search for World Map. You'll see different styles show up: flat maps, illustrated maps, and even some animated ones. Pick a clean, clear world map that matches the style of your project. Then drag it onto your canvas and stretch it so it fills the entire frame. Next, we'll plan the country or region you want to zoom into. Decide on your final destination first. For example, if you want to zoom into a single country or city, search for that specific map in the Elements tab as well. You can often find maps of individual countries or even highlighted regions. Add that second map to your canvas and temporarily place it off to the side so we can use it later. Now we're going to create the zoom effect using multiple pages. Think of each page in Canva as a frame in your animation. On the first page, keep the full world map visible. On the second page, duplicate the first page so everything is exactly the same. Then, on that second page, slowly increase the size of the map and drag it so your destination area moves closer to the center of the frame. Each new page will be a slightly closer view than the previous one. Repeat this process by duplicating the page again, zooming in a bit more each time and adjusting the position. Aim for 3 to 5 pages of gradual zoom so the movement feels smooth and natural. Once you're close enough, you can replace the zoomed-in portion with the country or city map you saved earlier. Just line it up so it matches the area you've been zooming toward. Finally, add simple transitions between each page. Canva's dissolve or smooth transitions work well for this effect. Adjust the timing so the zoom feels steady. Then preview your animation. When you're happy with how it looks, export it as an MP4 video, and your world map zoom animation is ready to use.